You challenged us to let Henry the hamster control our pancake art challenge. So Henry, what is our first pancake? Oh! Dude! Henry, that's not what I meant by what pancake!
Well, it's all red pancake batter, so it looks like we're making Spider-Man pancakes.
I'm in shock.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna go get fully clean off my grill, and I'll be right back. You can easily salvage that, Devin. Be an artist.
We are all cleaned off, and for my Spider-Man, I'm gonna be drawing from color theory. So I'm bringing in yellow and blue to contrast the red.
I'm making Iron Spider-Man.
Oh, and a huge thank you to the makers of Invisalign clear liners for sponsoring this video. And we've got something very special coming up, so make sure you stick around. Oh my gosh!
What?
That's what you call the moment I just had an epiphany. I'm literally gonna paint a mini scene. So, here we go.
Wow, that's a pancake.
True art! You thought Alexa was gonna be your competitor? Nah, fam, look right here in my face.
I'm looking at your eyes.
And my paint
No.
brush.
Dude, you got on my pants, bro.
It's part of art.
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay, I literally only have a few more sections to fill in, and I think I'm almost ready to flip.
Wait, dude, what is Henry doing?
Henry, no!
Henry, no.
Don't touch it, don't touch it!
Alexa has to work upside down.
Oh!
No!
That's what I'm talking
Yes.
about! Paw 5, Henry, Paw 5!
That.
Wait, no Paw 5?
Henry, I thought we were friends.
All right, I'm adding my last bit, and then it's
my
ready to flip.
God.
That is looking funky. I think you're messing
What do
it
you
up,
mean?
Devin.
My pancakes have been a little bit too thin in the past, so I'm reinforcing
Okay,
it
but
this
see-
time.
Next up, we gotta get the mouth. Gonna add some teeth. Spider-Man's teeth in.
Comes,
Boom, there we go.
comes.
Look at that!
His mouth is covered by the mask.
How is your art skills when you're making art upside down?
I don't know, I've never tried it.
But luckily, I'm almost done and ready for the flip.
All right, gonna give him some white eyes over here. To be honest, I think mine's actually coming together pretty nicely right now, and I gotta say, it's gonna blow your mind.
My mind's already been blown enough today.
Would you mind passing me?
He's kind of in the middle of something.
Yes, more important.
I'm almost done.
Oh, you're going for the classic red.
I gotta say, by adding more red, that didn't help. It's not working.
Wait, this is the point that. Okay.
Do you not like it?
No, I think it's great.
no,
No, it's
what?
great. Yeah, I think it's
So good.
fantastic.
So
Yeah,
good.
it's real good. You almost done?
I did it!
That's great timing because mine is done as well.
And done.
Okay, my pancake is done and I'm ready to flip.
This may actually be better than
Flip
Devin's.
it.
I'm nervous because that thing looks amazing.
Okay, I'm gonna flip.
All right, Henry, so before we flip, what is our next pancake going to be?
Roblox.
Oh, Roblox!
Oh,
man.
okay. All right.
3, 2,
1. Flip it. Oh!
What?
No way.
You got challenged, bro.
Oh, man.
You got competition.
I'm nervous.
Look
Done.
away, Henry, look away. You don't want to see this pancake?
Yeah.
Because you might choose it. There is only one way to flip this masterpiece with 2 spatulas. Oh, boy.
Okay.
Yeah, good luck with that, Collins.
Oh, boy.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, man.
Whoa, look at that.
Whoa.
Those eyes are so
too.
They're
bloodshot.
so bloodshot.
bloodshot.
But hey, here's the thing, Henry, it's ultimately up to you, so you could absolutely love this. This could speak to your inner artist.
But before I flip my pancake, I gotta say, I don't think Henry should be controlling our pancake art. I mean, I doubt he's ever tried a pancake. He probably doesn't even know what a pancake is. Henry doesn't even know
shut it
anything
down.
about anything. His brain is like this big, dude. I mean, look at him. He's just a funky little, musty little rat.
No, Henry, you are not a musty-looking rat. You're a very fluffy-looking
You are
hamster.
beautiful.
I'm making a Roblox miner and pirate.
What? Alexa, you can't start yet. I gotta flip mine first. All right, it's finally cooked, and now it's time for the flip.
Oh, dude, you better be careful with the flip, because you've been working on this
Ooh.
masterpiece
Please
for
don't
quite some
rip it.
time,
I
Devin.
know, I just gotta edge in on the sides here.
Shh, don't tell them, but I'm gonna keep working on my Roblox pancake.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
1.
Ta-da!
Oh my, no way!
That is insane.
Come
out well.
on!
Wait, Alexa, you're still working on your pancake?
Oh, come on, you're like super far ahead now. That is really unfair.
To help me catch up, I'm making a noble knight in shining armor.
I'm a big fan of this negative space right here. So this is gonna be my dude's eyes. I've got a funnel this time, and I've got a brilliant strategy for making sure that my precision!
That was not supposed to happen, I don't think.
No!
I thought you said that there are no
feel
mistakes
so
with
bad.
pancake
No,
art.
this was really a mistake.
At least it didn't get on mine.
Well, I just have to fill in the color now, and then I should be ready to flip.
Alexa, you're so far ahead. Henry, can you help me out here? I need something to help me catch up. Give me something good, man. Give me something good.
Bad.
Whoa! What is this? Go-Go juice?
Henry, that looks a little sketchy.
Henry, is this FDA approved?
I gotta say, with Henry's track record, if I were you, I wouldn't drink it.
I mean, hey, what's the worst that could happen?
With Henry, it can be pretty bad.
I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit.
Oh, he's going for it.
Are you sure you need all that Go-Go juice?
That's a lot.
I feel tingly. I think it's gonna help my pancake art. I think so.
Devin? Yo, Devin, kind of freaking me out a little bit, dude.
Can you even hear us?
Devin?
Devin!
Hello?
Hey.
I gotta say, his art's actually really incredible right now.
Slowing down.
I think, yeah, the effects are definitely wearing off. Devin?
Devin,
Yeah,
are you
Devin,
back?
can you hear us?
Yo.
Dude.
What just happened
Whoa.
to you?
Henry!